Welcome to A&M Education, College of Creativity and Technology. Today in this session, we are going to discuss on the topic Meaning and Introduction of Strategy. The word strategy is derived from Greek word strategia, which means the art of troop leader. It is the art and science of directing military force. Strategy is a high-level plan to achieve one or more goals under a condition of uncertainty. The term strategy came into use in 6th century in East Roman terminology and was translated into Western vernacular language only in 18th century. From then till 20th century, the word strategy comes to denote a comprehensive way tried to pursue political ends, including threats or actual use of forces in the military conflicts. The strategy includes the determination and evaluation of alternative paths to an already established mission or objectives, and eventually choice of the alternatives to be adopted. To put it in simple words, a strategy outlines how a management plans to achieve its objectives. Strategy is the product of strategic management process. The term strategy has been borrowed from the military. Today the competition a business faces is similar to that of war, and even every business wants to be one step up over its nearest rivals. Strategy is a common theme of strategic decisions through which an organization tries to relate itself with the environment, which involves major resource commitment to develop certain advantages, which helps in achieving its vision and mission. Strategic management is the latest addition to management disciplines. It is about the success and failure, about the ability to plan wars and win them. Effective strategic management can transform the performance of an organization, make fortunes of the shareholders, or change the structure of an industry. Ineffective strategic management can bankrupt the companies and ruins the careers of the executives. For example, we can give the Avenue Supermart the best strategy adopted by the company, wrong strategy made by Kingfisher Airlines. The concept of strategy in business is compared to that in the art. Strategy is an area of management and is concerned with the general direction and long-term policy of the business. Strategic management is the process by which an organization formulates its objectives and manages to achieve them. Strategy is the means to achieve the organizational ends. According to Santhu's book, The Art of War, the aim of strategy is defeating an enemy by fighting as few battles as possible. He defines priority for gaining the advantage over competitors. The highest priority is to foil the enemy's floats. Second, to ruin his alliances. Third, to attack the enemy. And lastly, to destroy his business. In his view, strategy is as much about avoiding the battles as it is about fighting them. In the dynamic environment of today, it is not only desirable but rather essential for any kind of organization to have a strategy. The operating decisions, however effectively made and implemented, cannot ensure long-term success. As strategic decisions tend to be non-self-generative, the management of organization must see to it that such decisions are made and constantly updated. The strategic management process consists of determination of mission and objectives of the organization in the lights of its unique strengths and weaknesses, and assessment of opportunities and threats. It then goes on formulation of strategy, its implementation, monitoring and evaluation. The feedback obtained from the review and evaluation can be used for revising the objectives and strategies. The importance of strategic decisions cannot be overemphasized. And incorrect strategic decisions may ruin a company, whereas incorrect operating or administrative decisions can usually be affecting the company. So, all the levels of the management in the company should direct towards the particular goals and objectives. Strategic management is both a skill and an art. It is a skill because it is a body of knowledge that can be learned and the techniques that can be used with greater or lesser competence. It is an art because it deals with the hearts and minds of the people that transcends reasons. Good strategic management requires both clear thoughts and sound judgment. Effective strategic managers should have the knowledge, the skills and the vision necessary to understand the total company, its mission, its goals or objectives, its culture and the activities of the different functional areas. Next, he should understand the environment in which the company is operating with particular reference to the opportunities and threats that are present. The manager should develop the strategies that are appropriate to the company and its environment. Next, the manager has to implement the chosen strategy. Finally, he has to control, evaluate and amend the strategies that have been selected. Strategic management has now become invincible. It involves creating organization which generate values even in turbulent environment over a sustained period of time. To manage for the present and continue to change so that the firm continues to prosper in a global uncertain world. Strategic management undertakes 3 steps that are formulation, implementation and control of strategies.